Hi, welcome to automationtesting.in. In this video, we'll see execute packages with JUnit runner. Okay, so how to execute only packages which is having JUnit 5 tests from the JUnit runner. So in our previous video, we have seen that how to execute the scripts or tests in the Maven. While looking into that, we have discussed about the JUnit runner also. So at the rate run with annotation. So by using the same logic, we'll see how to execute only packages. So we executed on the particular class, right click, run as JUnit test. For the particular method also, for entire class also, we use the same logic. But coming to the Maven, so I executed on the project, right click, run as JUnit test. See, let's go to the Eclipse and we'll see. First, we'll discuss that. So while executing, I right clicked, run as JUnit test. We did this one in the same way. And at the project level, run as Maven test. We have seen these things in our previous video, but I do not have control for my test case executions, a test execution. I want to execute only particular packages. Okay, how to do that? Right. So when I say like this, you see, it is executing the package level also. Okay, that is fine. But I want to execute these two packages. Tomorrow I have 10 packages. I cannot do this one, right? I can execute only particular package. Right click on the package and you do that. You see, I have given login tests. That is the reason it is saying not able to find login test. Okay, when I right click, run as JUnit test, still the same issue. The reason is here in the nested test I have given at the rate run with. If I remove this, here also I'll get the same thing. See, I'm not getting that option. If I say here run as JUnit test, you'll say no test found. Okay, so that we have already seen. For that only we have used at the rate run with. But I want to execute only specific packages. I want to control my test executions. So how can do that? So this is not possible. Right click on the particular package and executing all these things. Okay, I want to execute two packages at a shot. Okay, so that is not possible by right clicking all these things. Then how you can do that? So for that, we need to create a runner class. Okay, so in source test Java, right click, you'll create a runner. That is called, whatever name you can give. I can say JUnit 5 runner. So in the JUnit 5 runner, here you will mention the @run with. Okay, and JUnit platform dot class. Okay, so now if I run this, what happens? Nothing happened. You see that chain Jupyter, something like that. But I want to execute only this package, JUnit 5 tests. And inside the JUnit test, I did not mention that. So I'll remove this. @run with, I did not mention in the class level. Okay. So now I mentioned here. So after that, you have options. Some of the options, some annotations. @select packages. You see that we have one of the options called packages. It is coming from the JUnit platform.suite.api.select packages. So now you mention which package you want to execute. Okay. What is the package name? JUnit 5 tests, right? This is JUnit 5 tests. So I want to execute only that package. So now no need to mention inside the class anything. Now you just run this class, runner class. You see that? It executed all the tests. And you can expand this test annotation test, nested test, both executed. Here 2 methods, here 3 nested tests, inside that 2 tests. You see, I executed only this particular package. But I don't want this package, I want login package. So I'll simply what I'll say, login. Instead of that package, I'll mention this package, I'll execute. You see that? Login with email, login with phone. We have 2 tests. Okay, login test, login with email, login with phone. It is executing only these packages. Now I want to execute 2 packages. Okay, so that time you need to mention curly braces and mention the packages, which packages you want to execute. Okay, so I want to execute both the packages. No. So previously, when you right click, you can right click on a particular package, but not both the packages, right? So now if I run this, it will execute these 2 packages tests. You see that? Login with email, login with phone, these 2 are coming from the login and remaining things are coming from the JUnit 5 tests. When you expand this, you see that login test, test annotation test, nested test. These 2 coming from one package and this is coming from the another package, right? This is how you can select a particular package and you can execute. Let's assume you have a big project, you have multiple packages. If from multiple packages, you want to execute only few packages. So that time, that @ selected packages will helpful to execute only particular packages from your project. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you.